Alright guys, so today I'm just going to quickly show you on how to change your cabin filter on almost any Honda. So there will be some tabs in here, and then you pretty much just pinch the glove box so it comes out. Oh, everything fell. But that's where your cabin filter is. So you want to pinch and pinch the other side, pull the cover out, and then simply just pull your old cabin filter out. As you can see, it's pretty dirty. I like to inspect it just in case. And we want to follow the sign. See how it says airflow down? So we'll put the old one here for now, and then we'll put the new one in. This one's a little more heavy duty. You can get these from anywhere. Advance Auto, Auto Parts, AutoZone. So here we have the arrows facing down. So all we do simply is put it in, and then we'll just pop the cover back on. Put the cover back on. It'll click. Boom. And then we pretty much just put the glove box back in, same way we took it out. So we pinch one in, pinch the other, and boom, that's it. So that's how you replace your cabin filter on almost any Honda. Thank you guys so much for watching.